My name is Claudine Zaragoza. I'm the Vice President of the Filipino-Canadian Cultural Society here in Fort Macleod. Last year, my family and I moved here to Fort Macleod, and when we attended the Philippine Independence Day celebration, we were truly moved. As newcomers, we felt embraced by this community, and we can see how this celebration brings everyone together. With this funding, we can expand the celebration, invite more families, showcase our cultural pride, and create a more vibrant, stronger community. It wasn't just an event, it was a spark that made us feel we truly belonged. With your support, we can keep growing this tradition for future generations. I could imagine how this celebration could benefit the whole town and this community, just as it did for us. It was a spark that drew us here. This celebration is a way for us to honor our roots and share them with Fort Macleod.
Hello everyone, I am Sharon Felisan, the President of Fort Macleod Filipino-Canadian Cultural Society. Early this year, we created a non-profit organization as we are passionate about building a stronger and more inclusive community. Although our roots are within Filipino community, our mission extends far beyond the identity or nationality. We welcome and support everyone regardless of background, ethnicity, age, or identity. This was evident on our celebration of events like the Philippine Independence Day as we share our traditions and cultures and food, and we also invited our friends from the First Nations and the Ukrainians within the Fort Macleod area. If we are given a chance to have this funding, it will help us to continue and expand these efforts by supporting community events and cultural programs. Thank you for considering our application and for supporting organizations that work to make our communities more connected, welcoming, and inclusive. We truly appreciate the opportunity to be part of this event. Thank you and have a great day.